gonna need to go.
Yeah, you know my
I don't care if you need to go.
The 2020 Yamaha R6 nearly collided with the car in front. Fortunately, he steered away just in time. This could be a nightmare for other road users. Be careful, simple things can be dangerous for you.
Hey, you go run me over? Huh? That's fine. But you almost ran me over.
You can't assault me like this.
No, you almost ran me over.
It doesn't matter.
Did you almost run me over?
Get off my bike. Get off my bike.
What you got?
Dude,
You about hit my
I
wife.
didn't see you. Stop.
That camera. You
I'm
up?
sorry. I'm just a kid. I'm sorry. What's going
What's
on?
your open your mask?
Open
What?
the mask.
Open the face shield.
Next
She
time,
can't touch
you know
I'm
what?
sorry, I almost
Next
ran you
time
over.
I
Her touching you is Lisa. You kick you off the bike.
I didn't know
Well,
why
my
you
wife
were
was
stopping. I
walking
didn't
across
see
the-
her. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
If you feel like you cannot de-escalate an argument and it might become more tense, call the police to handle it. The argument could turn into a conflict if both sides refuse to back down.
Apologize to my wife when I walk away. Apologize.
Sorry, man.
Be cautious of the car in front. It could distract you.
That dude almost hit me. Oh. Are you kidding me? Yo! Hey! Get out of the car! Are you kidding me?
Are you okay?
Oh!
Are you okay?
Oh, no, dude, my legs hurt. I was right there.
Where? From where?
Right here.
In the turning lane?
Yes, I was getting ready to turn.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Like I always do, and I don't know where you guys were. We must have been just in the middle lane
We were
together.
right there. We decided we wanted to turn around and start to
Don't hit the turtle. No. Don't hit the turtle. Come on, buddy. Come on. Ah!
Don't worry, my friend. This motorcyclist will help you get to your destination safely. It looks like his companion is in trouble.
Don't move. You alright?
Alright.
Do you need an ambulance? Are you sure?
How fast was he going for his motorcycle to be so far from him? What would the consequences be if the motorcyclist does not proactively slow down to avoid the car in front? Pay attention to signs and stay in the correct lane to ensure safety for yourself and others. The Simwolf 125 was unexpectedly hit by a car turning onto the main road. The motorcyclist was in the blind spot, making him unable to avoid the collision. Be cautious when driving at intersections with no priority. Continuing with the motorcyclist's moment of anger when the driver was weaving on the highway earlier.
Problem? What was that? You cut me off. Yeah, you did. Got you right here. I got you right here.
I'm glad that his reflexes are good when facing unexpected situations on the road. I really hope that you have safe trips like that too, my friend.
Mate, I have it on camera.
It still doesn't matter. You drive.
Sorry, mate.
Slow down.
You're sorry, but you shouldn't do it on the road.
You knock her off, you killer. You understand
sorry,
that?
mate. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry.
I don't care if
sorry.
you're sorry, it's on the camera.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's on camera. We're going to get your plates.
Yeah.
You want to get to the hospital?
I really need to go.
Yeah, you're not making
I don't care if you need to go.
You can chill out a
No
little
hard
bit.
feelings, yeah, but seriously, dodge it again, yeah?
Sorry.
Don't do that again.
Seriously, dodge it
Are you
again.
alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You alright?
You just pissed me off, you know.
Yeah, I know.
We'll get your plates now.
Keep an eye on this guy and let's wait to see what surprising thing happens to him. His wheel unexpectedly got locked, causing a bike to tip over. You might need to replace that mirror now.
Great.
Someone has lost their tire without realizing it. This could affect traffic. Stay alert, my friend.
It's a dog.
The motorcyclist noticed several people looking for something. He decided to stop and help them.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this cat. It's okay. I got it. I got gloves on. It's cool. She really going. You okay? Alright. Oh, Christ. I had it, dog. I literally had it, and I gave it to the animal control lady, and she dropped it.
They're looking at low.
The motorcyclist lost focus, leading to a head-on collision with a car. The crash damaged his bike, and it needs immediate repairs.
Yeah, I'm good. Sure? Yep. Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good.
You're okay.
Yeah, I'm good. Did I touch your car?
Yeah, you did.
Was it bad?
My load in the back shifted is what I thought it did.
Oh,
Everyone should stay focused and drive at a safe speed to avoid collisions in time.
Yeah.
okay.
You've got two flat tyres this side. Do you know both your tyres are flat? I was just, I don't know, I was like, you need to get air. Do you need to pull air or something? Aye.
Excuse me, hey, are you broke down? I will push you to that parking lot over there.
The driver noticed the van driver was in trouble in the middle of the intersection, causing several cars to stop behind. It looks like the vehicle's engine has stalled, so he turned back to help her get out of the intersection.
I'm Brian.
Thank you so
Have a nice
much.
day.
I greatly appreciate it.
Use your mirrors, otherwise the motorcyclist will have to assist you.
Just use your mirrors. I know I passed you on the right, but you got really close to me. We can squeeze through where we can. So just please use your mirrors. So I'm going through. So just use your mirrors, and if you hear something, come on. I'm not protected, you're protected. Just please use your mirrors. Thank you.
Well, it finally happened. I'm good, appreciate it. Thank you.
It is unfortunate that his motorcycle might need to be out of commission for a while until it is repaired. Hopefully, he will learn from this experience and drive more safely on future trips.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Did you know I was coming after you?
My plate maybe?
Yeah. I didn't see it on the bike.
Oh, sorry.
Do you have a brake light and stuff like that on there?
I do. And I feel like it's even more visible than under there, honestly. Okay, yeah. I figured, like, I saw you coming. I'm like, I might as well just pull in here. Yeah, alright, have a good day. What was your name?
Kirk.
Josh.
Josh.
Nice to meet you. Have a good one.
He didn't even use his turn signals. Learn to master off-road driving skills before you tackle rough, rocky roads, my friend.
You okay?
My car's stopped.
Now let's continue with the moment when the BMW S1000RR rider helps the woman in trouble on this road.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right it won't start.
Oh, okay.
Your bat? No.
No, the battery's fine.
It looks like it's the bat. You have a jump start?
Yeah.
Yeah, her head gasket's gone. Her head gasket's gone. Yeah. Yeah, she blew her engine.
Okay. Well, we're gonna push you off into the mobile.
You know the oh, you didn't see the accident?
The white car suddenly turned at a blind spot, putting the motorcyclist next to it in danger. Be cautious when driving on the highway.
Oh, crap. Oh, I just hit the crap out of my...
The woman said she would call the police after seeing motorcyclists going off-road through here. It made her feel unsafer for some other reason. Let's check it out.
Trail through here.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm sorry. We didn't know. We won't come through here again. I'm sorry.
I know you won't, because I'm going to call the police. I'm going to call the county. Look, if you had a trail through here, you came off the hill up there and cut through here. Where'd you come? You come out for Dardway Forest?
Yes, ma'am.
You went up on the trail riding up down the hill?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's our property too. Stay off.
Wait, what? Which hill? No, we don't ride over there. I don't ride over here either. What, this?
Yes. This isn't the first time you've been.
No, this isn't the first time. Yes, ma'am, I understand that. I'm sorry. I really didn't know that it was a problem. Now that I know, we will not cut through here anymore. You won't see us on here anymore, I promise.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you.
Is your brother there?
The motorcyclist had trouble trying to align the tire and throttle, but it didn't work. Instead, it caused his motorcycle to lose balance at low speed.
All right, I gotta go.
I don't really know what caused this guy to be pulled over by the police twice in one day in New York City. Let's find out.
Can I help you? No, he just told me to pull over.
Oh, you got your license?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Does your officer have your license, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. Can I step off the bike? Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm actually heading to work now. Am I good? Yeah, okay.
Justin has his license?
Thank you. Have a good day.
Be wary of the pickup truck in front, as it might distract you, I'm just saying.
Are you asking why I beeped at you?
It was an accident, man.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Look, I appreciate that you stopped.
I rode a block too, man.
Huh? Did I affect you? Why are you so angry? Did I affect you? Come on. Come talk to me. You were sitting still, right? How could you hit me if you were sitting still? How could you hit me? How could you hit me? Come talk to me. You can get it off my registration.
So you're being unsafe.
Dude, I went by you, I didn't, and it didn't affect you at all, did it? You were sitting still.
Because you're being unsafe.
You want to see unsafe? I'll show you unsafe. Ready?
Let's see how the bikers got into trouble this week. Let's get started.
doing? You just hit me.
I was just checking one camera.
You were this close for me. You can't be that close. You gotta be further away. Okay, pull over, man. I want your insurance information. Well, I have no damage to my bike. Your car's got a little bit of damage. You want to come look?
I have 1 meter distance. So
but you hit me. Yes, because you're so close. Are you okay? Your car's okay? Yeah, okay, whatever.
If you don't obey the rules when participating in traffic, you can immediately get into trouble with the police and receive a ticket with a huge fine. So please, always pay attention.
Be in that lane. How do you know I wasn't gonna turn and then change my mind? I'm not trying to be a dick, I'm just saying.
I'm just telling you the truth. You're gonna receive a citation for illegal.
Here you go. You can't sit these bikes in traffic, I'll get killed.
How long have you lived here for?
August.
Alright, go ahead and write your new address right there for me.
Okay. Oh, I didn't even know that.
Yep. Sit tight, let me get everything typed up and we'll get it.
Okay. Wow.
Here's your copy, everything you need is in the box in yours, print it just like that.
Thank you.
Alright, you be careful, man.
You too. Thank you.
After just a few minutes of being caught off guard on the road, the biker had to pay the price for his mistake. Please check it out. The driver's reckless driving action made the biker angry and an argument ensued.
Don't pass by me like that.
Hey, why are you shooting?
Don't pass by me like that. Go around next time. Call him. Don't pass me in the same lane. Don't come by me in the same lane. Go around.
Блин, я чуть не обосрался.
Oh my god. I cannot understand how this man drove to cause the car tire to fly out like that. Fortunately, he was still safe. And a moment later, the rescue team arrived in time to rescue the car. As far as I know, the drivers are safe after this incident on the road, and that's good. Oh no, the biker made a big mistake by accelerating quickly on the road. Fortunately, he was still safe and continued his journey. This is why I always want to tell you to turn on the turn signal to let the person behind you know that you intended to stop to avoid danger. Moving at a high speed on the road, the biker couldn't stop in time when he saw the mud puddle ahead. Fortunately, everyone was still safe and his friends immediately helped him.
Wow! Let's go help them!
Are you guys fine? Are you recording this or no?
Huh?
Are you
Yeah!
recording this?
Yeah!
I can't believe Silas remembered this!
I have 4%, make it work, guys. 4%.
Alright, let's go.
Always be alert when driving a motorcycle on the road, especially at intersections. You need to honk to signals when you want to pass.
Yeah, and I'm fine.
Pause, and stay on the back.
Perhaps this driver's rearview mirror is just for decoration. Fortunately, the biker is still safe, but his motorcycle is not so lucky.
Use your mirror!
What happened?
He switched over.
Okay, so you caught my, you hit my driver's...
Take training courses to improve your motorcycle riding skills, especially on winding roads, so you can gain more experience when making turns. Pay attention to the man riding a bicycle ahead. Luckily, he discovered it in time and rescued his bike.
You trying to steal your bike? Yeah. Oh.
No, he's a bike.
Traffic congestion on the road made this biker impatient, and the police appeared.
Hey, can you tell me what's going on at least?
What's that?
What's going on up there? Some type of car crash? Would you guys tell your supervisors? Can I stand on it?
Just stand near it. Alright.
That's all the questions I'm gonna answer though.
Alright, have a good night.
You too.
Before each trip, regularly repair and maintain your motorcycle to avoid unexpected problems. Does this driver know that what he just did will cause trouble on the road? Be careful with angry men.
Oh, no, put your phone down. Like, you're still driving, you on the phone?
Pay attention to the car in front, you will see. Please observe before moving. A small problem happened to a cyclist during a trip with friends. Check it out. The cyclist was suddenly followed and chased by the police, causing him to run away in panic. Will he be able to escape? Check it out.
Yo, I thought he was after me. Come up here, bro.
The police noticed the biker when he suddenly accelerated on the road, and a check was carried out.
How about turning out the light when I pull it up? Roadway on a motorcycle, you gotta have, you're moving whether you're stopped. So if you have that visor flipped up, make sure you got like some, I'm not looking to write citations or anything like that. All I'm really looking for is the big safety. Motorcycles with no endorsements. Looks like you got yours. Let me run your tag, everything be good, okay?
Sure, no problem.
about this ride. You back? Like I said, I'm not worried about writing citations. Everything's good.
Okay.
Just know that if you're riding your motorcycle.
Okay.
I'm really sorry to say that he had to receive a ticket for a small mistake. Please be careful.
It advises people who aren't trained in taking off motors, leave it alone until somebody gets there who is trained. I don't know if you have one.
One of the troubles that no bikers wants to encounter is confrontation with the driver. Please stay calm, my friend, as anger will only make things worse.
Ich wollte nur sagen...
Hallo Jungs! Hallo Jungs!
Ja.
Eure Gesichter!
Okay.
Mein Nummernschild habt ihr euch gemerkt? Ihr habt alle drei.
Ich wollte nur sagen, das war...
Das war nicht fair, Muss. Hängst du drauf? Du hast keine Chance.
Ja.
Du bist im Kranken.
At such a fast speed, cornering will make it difficult for the biker to handle such dangerous situations, so always ride a motorcycle at a slow speed to ensure safety. Fortunately, no danger occurred, so always be careful when traveling on dangerous roads. This is a dangerous action, and you shouldn't follow it to avoid trouble on the road. The driver's reckless driving action made the biker angry. Oh no, be careful, as you could be in danger because the road is quite crowded. Unexpectedly, an argument happened on the street and was recorded by the camera, so please check it out. With his professional skills, the biker quickly resolved the incident that occurred on the road, and he continued his journey. When the anger reached its peak, the motorcycle was seriously damaged by this incident.
Yes! Yes, but now! Hold up! Got you on camera! Whoa!
Yeah, mate.
How you going, man? Pretty quiet stuff for a random breath test.
Can I take my helmet off?
No, if you can do it.
Yep.
Do it that way, that's fine with me.
Busy night?
Not too bad.
Catch anyone yet?
Yeah, heaps. Yeah, no, you'd be drinking and riding a bike though, wouldn't you?
No.
You'd be crazy to be doing that.
Yeah.
You'd be crazy to be drinking and then getting on a bike.
Yeah. I'll probably drop the bike back there if you knew something was wrong.
Just waiting for this to get a fix.
No, all good. Take your time.
Fortunately, the biker didn't use high alcohol drinks, and he continued his journey immediately after.
Nah, you're right, mate. Just take off.
You don't want the yellow off the
Nah, you're right. Just
Alright, thanks, mate.
Alright, okay, mate.
Alright,
cheers.
Good service.
If If you've gained any personal insights from watching this video, feel free to share them down below in the comment section with us right now. And before I go, let me just remind you right quickly to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell so you're always staying tuned with any of our upcoming videos.